Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics fast. Make sure the keyboard is powered, plugged into a different port, or the dongle reseated. Once done, open Device Manager directly with Windows plus X and find the keyboard's node, because you need the device entry to proceed. Next, download the correct driver from the keyboard maker or flag Windows Update to search automatically. Doing these steps now prevents wasted time later and prepares you to uninstall, update, or reinstall the driver cleanly. You will try updating the driver first. Right-click the keyboard entry and choose Update Driver. Opt to search automatically or browse the folder you downloaded earlier. If Windows reports no change, uninstall the device. Check the box to delete driver software when offered, and then reboot, because a clean reinstall often clears corruption. After restart, either run the manufacturer's installer or allow Windows to rediscover the hardware. Make sure to test every key, because intermittent faults can look like driver issues but be hardware-related. Finish by confirming system settings. Check keyboard layout, language, and repeat delay in settings so the issue isn't a configuration problem. Once done, if problems persist, isolate the cause by testing in safe mode or on another computer. This tells you whether it is hardware versus driver. If your keyboard is wireless, replace batteries, repair Bluetooth or the dongle, and update its firmware. One key troubleshooting tip. Booting into safe mode removes third-party driver interference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.